This event is the Future Chefs competition, so this is where kids from the school district and the elementary areas to come in to show off their skills as chefs or future chefs, taking recipes, making their own, manipulating an original recipe maybe their parents used, and giving us a taste of their imagination.
I can't believe the concentration that can come from just grade school. It's inspiring, actually.
What's the importance of the program? Why do you think kids should do this?
It's an enhancement. You have kids who love to cook. This gives them an opportunity to display their talents.
Well, part of what we do the competition for is to foster that learning about healthful eating, about where food comes from, working with food as individuals, not just in a production setting like we did today, but for yourselves and for your family.
Very good job.
And chefs, you've done a great job today. Thank you so much for your hard work.
So there's also we'll call it good. I like it.
Thank you.
So then they were good. I gently painted. I was thinking, and I'm like, well, I was reading this book the other day. Just cooked them in the oven.
Wow. Can you tell me what the soup is?
So everything here is in the soup, and then the avocado and cilantro, they're just kind of garnishes. You don't really put it in the soup. And then there's coconut, chicken broth, rotel, and some spices.
And spices. Well, I'm going to try one now. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is an event that helps students learn about food and nutrition, skills that will carry forward into the rest of their lives. This is so fun and so much great learning.
Good job, buddy.
This will inspire them for years.
Yeah.
This will change people's lives. Those young people that are out there, some of them needed this.
Yeah.
And I'm so happy that we are able to do that.
Yeah.
There are students who were here today who made a recipe who said, no, I never cooked before this, but I was interested when I saw that there was a competition. I was interested and I figured out a recipe. And yes, this was the first time I've ever cooked, and I'm going to keep cooking. There was more than one child who said that today, and that's great to see that continuing into the future, that kids are learning about healthy nutrition, healthy food, and the skills to cook for themselves.
So this is my mom Dina, and this is my grandma Claudia. And I'm Brogan, and I was in the Future Chefs.
And so how did you get interested in this?
So I was just at my school, and we have this thing called Friday folders, and papers come to home every Friday in them. And a thing for the Future Chef thing came in, and I decided, you know what, why not try it out? And here I am.
So what was your feature recipe?
Guaczilla. Guaczilla, hide your veggies.
What do you think of this experience for
This
him?
was awesome. Brogan is super creative, and so this was a chance for him to get to cook and shine, and his creativity, was definitely evident too, so it was awesome. Yep, it was a family affair for sure.
We're ready to mop the floor
Oh my gosh, at your house.
and call it a day. It was
It was super fun.
It was fun. It was fun for everybody.
Thank you.